Hello friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you how to stabilize your videos that was taken using MIA1 or any other Android device. So without further wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, first of all I will show you a sample video which was taken using the back camera of MIA1. So when I was walking, I was recording the video, and as you can see here, the video is quite shaky. So by default in MIA1, all the photos and videos will be opened in Google Photos app. So to stabilize this video, what you have to do is just tap on the video, and beneath the video you will get an option called Stabilize. So you just need to tap on the stabilize option and your video stabilization process will start. So once that is complete, just play the video and see the difference. You will definitely feel the difference, and the video after stabilization will be much more smoother than what you get from the actual output. You can also save this output file to your gallery. So you can also save this video to your gallery. So this feature is not just for MIA1 devices, it is available for all the users who use the Google Photos app. For the MIA1 devices, it is just easy as it is available directly from the camera app. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time, bye bye.